Greetings, my precious viewers. Here is Nicola from nnweb.net. Welcome to new tutorial about OceanWP theme customizer or OceanWP settings and features. In last episode, we left off here in general options, and today we are going to see the typography feature, top bar, header, blog, sidebar, footer widgets, footer button, and in the end, the custom CSS and JS. You already knew that for the most of my tutorials, I'm using the OceanWP theme. It is very light, very handy, and very good theme. Also here you can see the tutorial about how to change the top bar here, or how to create menu, how to change menu, and many other options. I will put the links into description, and if you are new around here, please consider subscribing. Turn on bell notification for more videos like this one. Without further ado, let's get going. Beneath the general options, we have the typography menu, the typography options. Here in general, you can choose the font for your website. Then font for body, you can change font family. For example, let's change the Georgia sans serif, you see. Then you have the font weight, font style, text transform, font size for all of your pages, line height, line spacing, and font color. Beneath that is headings typography with the same options. Then options for heading level 1, level 2, 3, and 4 for logo. If you have logo with text, just like here, see? Okay, and other options for font customization. Here it is a font family for top bar here, you see. In top bar you can put some icons here, and for example the social icons here in this corner here. In this corner here, I will show you that in a second. And also I have one great tutorial. I will put link here in top right corner. Next is typography for main menu, for drop down, for mobile menu, then typography for page title. This is the same options: font family, weight, style, text transform, font size, and so on. Page title subheading also has options for changing fonts, breadcrumbs, then blog entry title, post title, fonts for sidebar widgets heading, widgets, footer, widget heading, footer copyright. For example, this is the part here. I want to set, for example, Arial or sans serif, you see. Let's make it default again. And for footer menu, if you have menu in footer. Okay, that's all for typography. This is the top bar. Here we have general options to enable top bar, or to be top bar to be the full width, you see, here and here. Then we can choose visibility on all devices, or just for tablet, mobile, or both. Style, we have left content, right social, right content, and centered content and social. Okay, this is default. Here you can change the padding, background color. For example, let's be the blue one. Okay, then border color, text color, link color, and hover state for links. Okay, next is content, and here you can remove this text and put your own text, or you can put one icon. Let me go to the Font Awesome page. Go to icons, because Font Awesome is built in OceanWP theme. Let's take, I don't know, icons for brain. Without brains today. Let's see phone, for example. This icon here. You can copy, click, OK, and paste it here. This is our icon. And for example, here you can type, or out of this icon, you can type your phone number, for example. And now let's enable Twitter, social icon, Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and YouTube. Of course, you will put your links here. This is just for tutorial purposes. And here you have your icons. You can change the color, for example, and social links hover state for these icons to be a purple one, you see. And you can change font size. For example, let's choose 60. Okay, now let's save to draft, click copy, and see our icons. In CSS, of course, you can change this phone number, phone icon, and so on. I have this tutorial about how to make top bar in this theme. The link will be in the description and here in top right corner, but a few minutes ago I think I said that. Okay, let's let's discard our changes and refresh our customizer again. Just wait a few seconds to refresh it. And beneath top bar is a header, and here we have general options. Here, this is the style for header. For example, first of all, let me add menu. One quick menu. Okay. Add items. Home, sample page. Add new page. About. Okay. Click on publish. And we have our menu here. Then go to the header options and choose the, for example, transparent style. Now our menu is transparent, and this is the main color for header. Or we can choose the top menu style, see, full screen, center, medium, also vertical, just like here. I use the vertical style I have here. You see, this is my vertical style with my menu and social icons with link. Okay, now here you can change the height of your menu, of your header. The default value is 74. You can change header to be a full width. See, header border button, you can uncheck it. Background color, border button color. Here is the padding and content after header. For shortcodes, here you can see the list. Okay, now it is the header media. You can choose your video here or image and change the position, attachment, repeat, and size. Also, you can choose the overlay color. Next is logo. Here you can upload your logo, retina logo, color, and hover state. Menu. Here is the options for menu. You can select already created template if you are template here. Here this is options for top level, second level, drop down top border, position, center, left, right, links effect, for example. See? And so on. Also, you have the main style for link color, hover state, current menu item, padding between items, drop-down styling, style for search icon, you can disable it, of course, and drop-downs, categories, posts. Then you have options for social menu, you can enable it. Then you have options for mobile menu. See. Okay. Now we have blog options for blog entries, options, and for single post options with elements position. This is the meta information about your post. Okay. Here we have the options for sidebar. If you choose that your website has the sidebar here or here. Footer widgets. This is options for it. For fixed footer or parallax footer effect. And footer bottom. This is the footer bottom, and you, for example, you can put your own text with link here. Okay, and on the bottom we have the custom CSS and JS console, and here we can change the property for our website. Okay guys, this is the end of this tutorial. I hope that this tutorial will be helpful to you. If you are enjoyed in the video, give it thumbs up, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below. If you are new here, subscribe to my channel. Keep watching me. The more videos about WordPress, HTML, CSS are coming. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.